Hey guys, this is Mr. Weberly. I just wanted to give you some homework help on the function tables, the t-tables that we plugged in. We did these in class. I put these on the board, so those should be on your paper. If not, you're on your own on those. You should have done those in class. This video is going to be pretty short. You might want to pause it quite a bit and copy in the ones that I've done here. Here's set B. I'm going to give you set B. The X is our input, and the Y is our output. And in this set, I would input 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you need to show what you put in, and then get your answer. And you might notice that there's a pattern developing here. As you go up by 1, you're going to go down by 1, so you could put in the last couple of numbers. Let's see. Minus 3. This is not going to be 0. Sorry, this is going to be a 3. What is it there? Sorry. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Negative 4 plus 3 is 1. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. Actually, this is the where I mistake, because this is negative 1. Alright, so you can see the pattern there. As you go up by 1 on the x, you're going down by 1 on the y values. So that's a linear function. That's going to be a straight line. Second one, I would put in these numbers. Again, pause it between each one so you can get them down. I would put in these numbers. You can see where I put in the exponents. You need to have this on your paper. And as soon as you notice that you're going to go down negative 2, back up to negative 1, back up to positive 2. This is a U-shaped curve. It's quadratic. This is an exponential curve. So it's going to have an exponent. Each one of these, 2 to the first, 2 to the second, 2 to the third, 2 to the fourth would be 16, 2 to the fifth would be 32. So that's an exponential curve. Another exponential curve, because it's a square root. I would put in these numbers because that'll give me perfect squares to come out, and I won't have any irrational numbers. So that's what I would use. Pause it, get those down. I'm going to the next page. Set C, I would put in these numbers again. You're going to see a linear graph. As this goes up by 1, this is going down or up by 3, so you can write in the last two because you can see a pattern. Up 3 more would be to 1, up 3 more would be to 4. That's going to be another linear graph. Number 2 is another U-shaped curve, another quadratic because it has a x squared in it. So negative 2 squared is 4, plus 1 is 5, negative 1 squared is 1, plus 1 is 2, 0 squared is 0, plus 1 is 1. Make sure this is all on your paper, and then you're going to get back up to 2 and back up to 5. So it's going to be another U-shaped curve. It's a quadratic. Another exponent. I would put in these numbers because that'll give me some easy exponents. 2 to the 0 is 1. 2 to anything to the 0 is 1. 2 to the first, 2 to the second, 2 to the third is 8, 2 to the fourth is 16. So those are the numbers for the exponential curve. And then the square root, another exponential curve. Put in numbers that will give you a perfect square. 1 minus 1 is 0. Square root of 0 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. The square root of 1 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. And then you get a 3. Then you get a 4. You're going to get all these whole numbers come out. It's another exponential curve. You can pause it to get those in. And I'm going to go to the last page. Set D, again, you're always having a linear function for 1, a U-shaped curve for 2, and exponential functions for 3 and 4. So you can see what numbers to plug in. Again, I would use these 5 easy numbers. Plug them in. As you're going up by 1 here, you're going up or down by 2 on this side. So it's again, you're going down by 2. That's a negative 2 right here. It's a linear function. Another quadratic, another x squared. So it's going to be a U-shaped curve. So negative, make sure you plug in negative 2 squared minus 2. You're going to get 4 minus 2, which is 2. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. You come back up to negative 1, back up to positive 2. You'll have your U-shaped curve. Exponential curves. Again, I would plug in these numbers because that'll give me positive exponents. I don't want negative exponents. So I put in 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to get a 1, a 2, a 4, and you can see it doubles every time. So 8, 16. That's exponential curve. And then the square roots, I would use these numbers to get perfect squares to come out. 2 minus 2 is 0, so 0 square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. And 3 and 4. Alright, see you guys later.